That was the news summarized on Noticist using Galaxy AI on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's start our big story for the day. Viewers, in a big breaking news, leaders are arriving at the BJP headquarters for the CEC meeting ahead of the Delhi polls. In fact, this is the third part of the meeting that took place earlier today in the morning at BJP Chief JP Nadda's National Capital residence, where even the Union Home Minister pulled up to discuss the party's strategy going further into the pacing Delhi Assembly elections. Scheduled for the 5th of February, counting scheduled on the 8th of February, the BJP is going all out with meetings on meetings to discuss their strategy to pace into the Delhi Assembly polls to defeat the main contender, Aam Aadmi Party. We're also being joined by my colleague Harsha live from New Delhi to give us more updates on the story. These are the visuals of BJP President JP Nadda arriving for the BJP CEC meet. Harsha will join us shortly, live from New Delhi, from the heart of where the action is happening, to get us more on the story. The BJP is slated to discuss its path moving forward into the rigorous Delhi Assembly polls. Now remember, viewers, just today, BJP held one more meeting, the part one of this CEC meeting at JP Nadda's New Delhi residence. Harsha, tell us more about this meeting. You've been tracking it for us since morning, and now another meeting has cropped up for the BJP, the CEC meeting, and they're going to discuss their path moving forward in the Delhi Assembly elections. Tell us more about this.
So yes, the Chief Election Commission meeting, the Central Election Committee meeting, the Central Election Committee meeting of the BJP has commenced at the BJP National Headquarters. All the leaders have arrived who are the core members of the CEC for further discussion on the Delhi candidates, the remaining seat candidates, and also on the manifesto and who all could be the star campaigners. The meeting will commence at around 7 o'clock because the weight is there of the Home Minister and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We have got to know all the important leaders have already arrived. BJP National President JP Nadda has already arrived. BJP Delhi President Viren Sachdeva has already arrived. Along with it, Vijendra Panda, Vinod Tavade, Dushyant Gautam, Atul Garg, Iqbal Singh Lalpura, Bhupendra Yadav, Arun Singh, Satyanarayan Jatia, Sudha Yadav, all have arrived at the BJP National Headquarters for the CEC meeting. Also, the MPs will also be reaching there. Alka Gujar has arrived, Harsh Malhotra has arrived, and the other leaders are already on their way. They will be reaching the BJP National Headquarters. This afternoon, we saw that BJP core group meeting took place at the residence of JP Nadda, where HM Home Minister was also there, and there the 7 MPs of Delhi were present in that core group meeting. And today, this CEC is happening late in the evening to decide on the remaining candidates for the Delhi election, the high-stake battle of national capital. Already the countdown has begun. The election is going to happen on 5th of February. The dates have been announced. The campaigns already have started in full swing. But yes, BJP is yet to release its manifesto, and for manifesto very precisely and strategically, the CEC has to decide what will be the poll promises what BJP is going to do to the people of national capital. And that is the reason this meeting will begin as soon as the Prime Minister will arrive at the national headquarters of the BJP. Everyone is waiting for HM and PM to arrive so that the meeting could commence. And once the meeting begins, there will be discussion on the remaining candidates for the remaining seats, which is yet not announced, as BJP till now has only released one list for Delhi. Remaining seats, remaining candidate list is yet to be decided, and for that this very important meeting has been called. Back to you.
Right, Harsha. Thanks very much for joining us on the broadcast this evening. But for now, we'd be moving on to some other breaking news that we're tracking at